Snowball can help them get adopted.
Yeah, he does this kind of thing all the time.
And it usually works out fine.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You hear that?
Katie?
Katie! Katie! Katie!
Katie, we're in here! We're happy you're back!
Alright, keep it moving. You the back.
Yeah, I think it's up to her apartment.
You guys want to practice wagging your tails? You in the middle. Wiggle your butt. That's not bad. All right. Keep it down. No barking. Okay, well, a little barking. Go ahead. Y'all can let it out. All right, stop now. Hey, you over there. Place over there. You need to get walked. Welcome to the secret game. Some of you will be okay, though. You might make it. Maybe. I don't know.
There's no guarantee, no.
He's right. You're all gonna die.
Yeah, so exciting. Try not to die, everyone!
Good luck, puppies. Be careful. Check out my buttercup.
Yeah, a flying bunny. You can go home now. You've officially seen it all. Follow me, guys. I have to lose a single pup. Back away.
This is cat time, you filthy months. What are you filthy months?
Throw my best friend here, guys. Follow my ears.
Strap myself to a rock. These rocks are gonna be to the pet store.
Don't look at me like that. We made it. Was there any doubt? I mean, actually, it should be. This plan is crazy. It shouldn't work.
This is gonna be great. You're gonna be all clean and fluffy, and you're gonna get adopted in no time.
Oh.